What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting off this video in my F80 M3, and it's gonna be a special one. I'm actually gonna be tuning it to an E85 tune. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I never ended up pulling the trigger. Ottoman actually ended up buying me the tune as like kind of a thank you for like working on his car. So yeah, he bought me the tune. I've been waiting to actually flash it. Oh yeah, one thing. He bought it from Jordan Jordan Tuned. He bought the tune from Jordan Tuned. I was gonna go with F80 Paul, but I heard a little bit better things with Jordan, a little bit safer things, so I ended up wanting to go with Jordan. But yeah, the tune, the file itself is already ready. It's in my boot mode account. What I actually had to do is make sure my car had like 091 in there, or at least like a little bit of 91. He actually tells you on like the file. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So you basically have to get it to where it just shows those like 4 lines where there's no gas. So as you can tell, it's the dashed lines right there. That means like there's no gas in there. I just made it to the gas station here, which has E85. I'm gonna be filling the tank up fully and going ahead and flashing the tune onto the car. So let me go ahead and fill up the tank, and then I'll go ahead and flash the car. Finally, I've actually been waiting for this for a really long time. Finally filling it up. Only $45 for a full tank. Alright, let's check how much gas we have now. Now we got a full tank of gas. So funny story, I was actually supposed to flash this tune like a week ago, but I couldn't because my brother ended up putting a full tank of 91 in my car, so I couldn't really tune the E85. Because I couldn't even like siphon the gas out, because these cars have like an anti-siphon system. So I basically had to drive it around a lot more than I usually do in order to get all the gas out of the system. That's like first world problems right there when your brother fills up a full tank for you. So yeah, I went ahead and filled it up with E85. Now all I gotta do is log into my boot mode account, which I'm already in right here. So all the way at the bottom is the custom tune. It says full E85 tune, stock turbos by Cary Jordan. This is basically what you have to go through, so I'm gonna go ahead. Before flashing, please go into the user config panel of this custom file and verify all settings are correct, which I will do in a second. And then right after I'm done flashing it, we actually have to go and drive it, and I need to do 3 third gear wide open throttle pulls in like one data log. So I have to data log the car and then send him the file, and then he's gonna revise the file and then send it back again. This is gonna go back and forth like 5 times, I believe, just so we can get the tune perfect. So this is barely the first tune that I'm doing right now. So I basically have to do 3 wide open third gear pulls from 2,500 RPM to 7,000 RPM just to get him some data logs so he can read. Yeah, I read all this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and tune it real quick. So I basically just use like a OBD cable that goes to an Ethernet port, and then this is like an adapter so I could do it with my phone. It has a lightning cable at the end. So I plug this into the OBD port, which is down here. It's plugged in. I'm gonna lower the window because it's hot as shit, and you can't open any windows, or well, you can't open any doors, and you can't take off your seatbelt either, so you have to have the seatbelt plugged in. Now we can flash this damn tune on here finally. Let's hope everything goes well. Alright, now we're connected. It shows it right here in blue. Go to my maps, last tune, flash, and then flash now. So it says battery charger is highly recommended. Turn headlights and fan off and plug the driver's side seatbelt in. Do not open and close doors while flashing. If using a piggyback device, set it to 0. Let's flash it. Alright guys, it's successfully flashed the tune. I'm gonna turn the ignition off, and then you wait like 5 to 10 seconds before turning the car back on, and it tells you that right here as well. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see this shit, but let's hope everything went well. Started right up. Let's put it into Sport Plus. Ah, shit. I have to reset these M1 and M2 buttons, but all right, I'm gonna go ahead and go do some pulls right now. So we gotta go data log it. So yeah, let's head out to the freeway so we can do like some normal pulls, and I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, I'm not on the freeway yet, but I just want to do a little test pull, see how it is. Woo! It's way quicker already. And this is just the first flash. It's completely losing traction in third gear. And that's the gear I have to do the freaking data log on. Oh shit! That is loud. So I basically told him to do on sport mode, he did like a gunshot tune, and then on sport plus mode, it's just like normal verbals. As you can tell, that's pretty damn loud, and I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble for this. I'll give you guys like a couple clips of it from the outside as well. But right now, we're gonna go onto the freeway and do a couple pulls so we can get some good data logs in. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the first pull right now. We gotta slow down to 2,500 RPM and then punch it. And 2,500. Got 3 good pulls. So everything should be good. I'll get you guys some clips from the outside on how the car sounds, and then we'll go from there. Go through a tunnel right now. Let's see if we can get some loud pops. I mean, there's some right there, but there's like a gunshot one in there somewhere that I want to get. Oh, that shit's loud. You can smell the E85 too. Oh, that shit was loud. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get a clip. We're gonna see if we can maybe shoot a flame or something like that out the back. It's dark outside, so it should be easier to see. So hopefully we can get a flame. That shit's loud. We gotta go. Alright guys, I have to get the hell out of here. I have to go through the footage to see if I even got any flames. So I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow.